Wake Up and Makeup. It is Jennifer Woolsey, and we are going to do a very quick makeup tutorial this morning. I've already got my hair pulled back, and I've already got my skincare done, and we are just going to hop in. So I have to point out this little spot I have here. I've been using a new skincare line, which I'm loving, which is our new Knox Anew Ultimate. It's got the rejuvenating serum, the eye serum, and the day and night cream. And it's making a tremendous difference in my face. However, I got one of those little zit suckers, and I left it on my face too long to try to take that out. So we have a little spot there, and we're going to treat it, and that's okay. That's what concealer is for, right? Good morning, Cindy. I ordered your primer. Forgot to message you and tell you. So we're just going to cover that little baby up there and do a little bit of priming before we do our makeup this morning, concealing before we do our makeup this morning. How is everybody? What did you guys think about the fashion show? Were you excited? Did you enjoy it? Did you like the clothes? And what was your favorite piece that we tried on? So, and also I want to point out that my new friend is not because of the new skincare I'm using. In fact, it came up after I started using that skincare. So it's actually healing it, which is a blessing. The other thing about the Knox is that it is brightening my skin. I can see it. I don't know if you guys can. I can see such a difference with it already. So that is a huge blessing. I can already see a more glowing, brightening skin. Good morning, Cindy. Good morning, Sandra. The spot things are amazing. Well, it is if you don't leave it on your face too long. That is the trick to that. Okay, we're going to hop in with our powder foundation in shade N120 this morning. I'm loving this powder foundation. So if you've not ever used a powder foundation, you should try it, especially in the Texas heat. If you want a good coverage that's lightweight, this is what you need. You can use the pad and you can do it wet, which is going to give you a little bit more of a matte look. But I like to just use a brush, and I'm going to do one side and not the other and show you guys the difference that this foundation can make. It is insane, insane. So I don't know if you guys can even see the rosiness of my cheeks. I've been moving around a little bit this morning, so I tried to do a little mini workout this morning, so I'm still a little hot from my shower. So this is one side completely covered, and it just takes a little bit in these circular motions, and here we go. And it's that side is powdered foundation. This side has nothing. I did put my primer on. I primed first because I do think with a powder foundation, the primer definitely holds longer if you will prime it. So it is an amazing difference. And the thing that you want to remember with the powder foundation is if you're using it dry like I am, you don't want to like swap. Does that make sense? You more want to do circular motions, because those circular motions are going to work it more into your skin, and your stay is going to be a lot longer. Notice I'm not going into the eye area because I already concealed with that lighter concealer. So I definitely don't want to conceal over that. Now, another cool thing about powder foundation is it can also be used as a setting powder. So if you're using something like our Cashmere Complexion liquid foundation, then you could definitely go over it with the powder foundation to give you a more matte finished look, and it also is going to help set that makeup so it stays with you all day long. And in Texas heat, we need things that stay with us all day long because, well, if you walk outside, you're basically sweating It's crazy insane. Okay, we're gonna do Tattoo Station in shade brown for these brows because they need a little extra help this morning. So here we go. I'm on my main page. Hey guys, how is everybody this morning? Thank you for joining. Did you guys get to check out the fashion show yesterday? Let me know what you think about those new pieces. I'm super excited about them. This eyeliner will stay with me all day long. Like, it will stay in place all day long. And as a busy mom with all the things going on, I need a quick morning routine to make myself feel like fixed up, but it's going to be something that's going to stay all day and not going to rub off, which is my favorite thing about this. And here's the thing, if you don't line your brows, do you line your brows? If you don't line your brows, here's a little tip. Your brows are like the frame of your face. So it would be like putting a picture frame on the wall and not putting a picture on the wall and not putting a frame on it. That's why we color in those brows. So a pencil is something great if you have brows and you just want to kind of fill them in. Or if you're needing shape, you might want to do something like a pomade, which is really cool. And it will give you a little bit more process to be able to draw in those brows. Okay, we're going to do an eye quad today. I love this eye quad. This is Naked Truth, and it's really cool because it has 1, 2, 3, 4. It shows you the steps, and you can just fill them in. So we're going to go in with one first, cover the base of the eye, and here we go. And doing it on the other side. I love makeup made easy. So I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I'm a business owner, I'm going all the time. So if something will explain to me 1, 2, 3, 4 how to do it, I'm gonna go with that all day long. Okay, we're gonna go in with 2 now, and we're gonna work this crease. Now, you are definitely not gonna get one of those made up looks where they have the bold orange or blue eyes. That's just not my jam. It's not what I do, but I do give you a good look for a busy mom, a busy lady on the go. Okay, so we work that crease with that second shade. It's such pretty colors. We're gonna go in here with 3 and pick up that 4 just a tad and work down here and work it up into that crease. So do you guys like a bold eye, or are you more of a subdue, subtle color? These quads come from chocolate brown, which is a beautiful bold, to like a Naked Truth, which is more a light beigey. Okay, let me get a little closer. I'll let you check out the eyes. Nothing extremely bold, just nice, pretty, and shows that you are ready to face your day. SuperExtend liquid liner. Here we go. Line those eyes out. The SuperExtend liquid are so easy to just go on. I just realized that, Cindy. That's okay. I'm not normally on this page. I don't normally do my makeup tutorials here. But if you guys like makeup tutorials, every morning I go live. Okay, Trish, have a good day. I go live on Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz, which is actually my personal or my business page where I do makeup tutorials and show you tips and tricks all the time. So you definitely want to follow me over there. For quick tips on skincare and makeup and fashion, and all the things. All right, let's curl these lashes. I'm trying to show you guys like a quick 10-minute makeup tutorial. This is something that you could do every day and get yourself together before you head out the door. So we're doing Love Waterproof Mascara. This mascara, oh my gosh, it has a vitamin E oil in it. has some other nutrients and minerals in it, and these little heart-shaped fibers that attach. Jen, I'm not perfect. FYI, sometimes we get mascara on us. We'll go back over that in a second. Anyway, it has these heart-shaped fibers that attach to your eyes, and it just makes your mascara pop. It's very volumizing, lengthening. So if you're like, I don't have any eyelashes, Jennifer, this is the mascara you need. You don't have to glue anything on. It's just a mascara that makes your eyes look more full and more bold. There we go. We got the mascara on. What do you think? Let's clean up that mess with the mascara. Yeah, I know. I love watching you do. Oh, thank you, Amanda. It's years of experience. I'm going to take my powder foundation and I'm just going to go over where we dropped that mascara. See? All fixed. All fixed. Okay, final steps. We are going to do the Blush in Love, which is still available. I love this palette. We're going to put a little bit of blush on. Just a little kiss on the cheeks. Because we all need a little pink in our life, right? And then this has a highlighter in it. This is still available on my website. If you guys want to shop for any of these products, if you need color matching, so I'm taking that color and I'm just going right above where I did that blush. This is going to give you a little bit of highlight on your face. Do the Cupid's bow because it's going to give you the Kim Kardashian lips. And a little right here where the sun shines. Can you see it? It kind of makes your face have a little bit of a glow. You look like you're ready to go. You're fresh and all the things. Today, we are going to use my favorite birthday balm. These birthday balms are a lip crayon and they have shea butter in them. They make your lips feel heavenly. This is Surprise. Check it out. It's so pretty. So if you want help matching any colors, I would love to help you. If you need some tips on a good makeup routine, I would love to help you. If you just want to shop for any of these products, you can do so on youravon.com/jwoolsey. That's youravon.com/jwoolsey. You can find all of these things there, have them shipped to your door. So let me know if I can help you. Thanks so much for joining me for a quick makeup tutorial, and you guys have a blessed day. See you later. Bye-bye.